Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this flexible soldering stand with fan from Parkside. Two flexible arms with retaining clips allow the user to work with both hands. With fan for smoke extraction, non-slip base and 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Manual. The stand has sturdy weighted base for stability, ensuring it won't tip over during use. This provides peace of mind when working on delicate components that require a steady hand. And included we have this cable, Type C to Type C, 1.5 meters. Okay. You can plug in the cable here and power on the fan. You can use a power bank or a power adapter. If you want to have more portability, use a power bank. We have the adjustable soldering iron holder. And we have this plastic screw that it doesn't have threads. Okay, no threads. Let's make threads, maybe we can do that. No, I'm not going to bother to do that. Well, you get the idea. The soldering iron holder goes here. And the 3 plastic adjustable arms. So it didn't do a good work here. Crack it. Okay. The stand features an adjustable, flexible arm that allows you to position your workpiece at any angle, providing the necessary support for detailed soldering jobs. This offers hands-free stability, enabling you to focus on precision. The stand includes adjustable alligator clips that securely hold components, circuit boards, or wires in place. These clips can be rotated and positioned as needed, giving you flexibility when working on different parts of your project. The fan is positioned to blow away fumes directly from the soldering area, ensuring better visibility and health protection. A key feature of this stand is its integrated fan, designed to help ventilate your workspace by removing harmful fumes and smoke generated during soldering. This helps to create a cleaner and safer environment, especially when working on extended projects. The Parkside's flexible soldering stand with fan is an excellent tool for anyone looking to improve their soldering setup. The combination of low-quality flexible arm, adjustable clips, and built-in fan for fume extraction and the stable base makes it both practical and safe for detailed electronics work. Whether you are a hobbyist or professional, this tool provides both convenience and protection during soldering tasks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more tool reviews, tips and DIY project ideas. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay safe, keep building, and I'll see you in the next video.